What's good, YouTube? Man, it's been a long day. We just dropped off a video. We just dropped a video either yesterday or today. I don't remember. But anyways, man, today's Saturday. We are working on the wagon today, taking a little break. My baby does love me. She brought me some tea. So, man, I just wanted to give you an update with what we have going on. We picked up the block yesterday. I was out for 2 weeks. I had surgery, so I was not able to touch the wagon. So right now, what I'm doing little bit of, little by little, working on the frame, working on the firewall. Man, I feel like I just opened up a can of worms, to be honest with y'all. Because by cleaning up the firewall means that either I replace the brake booster, brake master cylinder. We haven't replaced those since we bought the wagon. So right now that I'm cleaning everything, I was debating of should I just wire brush and paint them or replace them. So since this was my main vehicle, man, she was my daily, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the brake booster and the master cylinder. I already ordered them. They're gonna be here around 4:30 today. I don't know if you can, I'm about to show you real quick. We painted half of the firewall. The reason why is because I gotta take off the brake booster, master cylinder, try to clean up the wiring, get it out of the way. What we did is paint the hood hinges already. This is what we paint right here. We wire brush some of the frame. I just removed the radiator, power steering hoses. They came off. I'm debating if I should disconnect the AC compressor because if I do, I'm gonna have to recharge it again and I'm gonna make a mess. So I'm not sure. But again, man, a little update of what we got going on. We're trying to go back OG on this car, make it all the way original. I thought about doing a serpentine belt kit. I'm not, man, to be honest with y'all. It's $2,000 that can go into another car. Right now we're working on the 56. 56 is a transmission shop. It's getting it's under warranty. The transmission was leaking, so they're gonna reseal the transmission. They're gonna put a new drive shaft, and Monday we're dropping off the 75 at the body shop. I got brand new door hinges because how the doors in the 75, baby? Too close.
It's hard.
Super hard, huh? So yeah, we were having trouble closing the doors, so I just went and bought the new door hinges, dropping off the 75 Monday. 74, we're gonna put it on pause. We're not gonna do anything. How do you like the 74, Mama?
Good.
Huh?
It's good.
Looks good. No, but how's it riding though?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. Alright. So man, again, got my little helper right here. Even though she's not helping, she's just walking around doing nothing. Man, what y'all think, man? Y'all let me know. I know I haven't been filming a lot. The reason why is once I come and start working, I really don't put the camera running. We couldn't find a tripod. I don't know where's my tripod at. So I got my baby right now helping me. That's what we're filming. But today what we did was hood hinges. This was done yesterday. Radiator was today. I repainted I primered one of the Wheelwell covers. The other one got painted already. So I'm waiting for those to dry. I painted another pieces for the wagon. So it's just a lot, man. It's just a lot. I got parts everywhere, but I'm trying to keep everything where I know where's it at. That way it can be easier for me to put it back together. But at the end of the day, all this work is gonna be for these little ones right here. So how do you feel about the cars, Mama?
I like them.
Why do you like them?
I don't know.
Do you like whenever we go to school in the cars? Why? You don't really know. So, anyways, man, every time I'm trying to do it every Friday.
Get a lot of compliments though.
I'll get over here because I don't think you over there not gonna. The audio's not gonna get. What'd you say?
You get a lot of compliments though.
So we're trying to do it every Friday. Now I'm trying to get them to work on the cars, even though they're hard-headed. They don't come over here and help me. Instead of coming over here, they're just watching TV. But anyways, man, let me show you real quick what we got going on. I want to show you the before and after. So, man, we painted from here over here. As you can tell, it's dusty, man. It's been really windy, but it's already painted. Clean it up. This little guy right here is probably gonna go black. I'm gonna paint it all black. We brushing. Well, I'm heating everything with the wire brush. I still gotta get inside and detail it some more. I took off the radiator so I can have more space, and now when I hit the core support, I'm gonna do a wire brush and then hit it with primer. One of the things that I noticed, man, from Uncle Tom's video, he used acetone to clean up the block, the engine block, before I start painting it. And to be honest with you, before I watched the video, I just wipe it down and paint everything, and I see these spots coming up. So with the acetone, he's removing everything, and he's looking pretty good. So that's what we've been doing, hitting up everything with acetone, even the firewall, clean up everything real quick, and then painted it. Again, this is just a spray can. I try to clean as much as I can. I took off all the wiring, tape them up. That way, you know, we can still keep the original look. One of the things that I am gonna do is I'm thinking about painting all these lines black, man. That way we can take some of that rust. Since I'm gonna be using the wire brush, I know it's gonna be down to bare metal. So we're gonna primer him and paint him all black. So let me show you what are we using, man. Well, this right here, best investment. Since we're going back OG, sandblaster, man, works pretty good. So this is some of the brackets. I'm trying to keep everything together. Alternator bracket, as you can tell, is already painted. I sandblasted them, cleaned them up, acetone again, primer, and then we painted them. Same one. This is the AC compressor. Let me show you what I'm using right now. Before I watch Uncle Tom's Garage, this is the primer that I was using, automotive primer. The reason why I use Rust-Oleum, man, is because you can get it at Home Depot, and it's cheaper than buying the paint that they have at O'Reilly's and AutoZone. This right here, I'm using it for all the brackets. This is the same paint that I'm using for the Wheelwell covers, and I'm gonna use for the frame. The reason why is since he's 500 Fahrenheit, I want something that is gonna last, man. And you know, it's not too high as the high heat, this one right here, but you know, I hope it lasts longer than just regular Rust-Oleum. Now we got a question. Well, I don't know what to do right now. This is a rusty metal primer that is gonna be used for the frame. I'm gonna brush everything with that. We only need a little bit for the block. The reason why I'm gonna brush everything is because I feel like whenever you brush the primer, it stays longer, it's thicker, and protects more. So again, the 79 is all original. They haven't taken that engine out. I thought it was a 305. Came to find out it's a 350. So it's still the original engine. And since we hitting the primer, since we hitting the frame, you know, I want the frame to be protected because I don't know when am I gonna take that engine out again. The decision that I don't know what I should do is going gloss black on the block, engine block, or going copper. Why copper? Because I want something to match the car. Well, I've been thinking about it, man. Like, should I do it copper? Should I do black? Reason why I don't want to go back OG is because the OG color for the 77s and up on the Chevy is the blue. I really don't like the blue. So, I don't know, man. We might do copper. But let me show you what I got going on. Some of the parts that I already got painted. That way I can see what we've been doing. So the reason why we got the high heat Rust-Oleum is because of the headers, man. I thought about buying new headers, but if I'm gonna keep it original, might as well go all the way OG. This right here, the only thing that we did, I sandblasted them, cleaned them up with acetone, primer, and then hit them up with the no, I'm lying, we did not primer this ones. This one was a straight paint. We used the high heat Rust-Oleum. We did, I believe it was 3 coats just to make sure it lasts. I never used it before. I don't know how long it's gonna last. As you know, whenever you paint these guys right here, usually it lasts a couple of months. So hopefully it lasts a little bit longer. The guards were silver, if I remember right, or aluminum. So man, I just went and decided painting them, and I'm gonna paint everything like that. All the guards, you know, we still got the guards right here that covers the wires, the spark plug wires. We're also gonna hit them with the same paint, so it can be a little bit cleaner. That's why I'm debating if I should go copper, just so we can give some color to the engine. But we're not sure yet, man. Let me show you what I got going on the Wheelwells. So, man, the other thing that we got going on is the wheel well covers. As you can tell, this one right here is already with the gloss black. This one right here, I should be able to paint it now. I was letting it dry. I let it dry for 1 day. So I gotta heat this one up with the gloss black. This is just a primer. On the other side, all this dust. But on the other side, this right here, it got the what is it called? Undercoating, man. So we're doing undercoating on one side, and we're doing gloss black on the other side. So all the frame underneath is gonna be undercoat. The top is gonna be gloss black. Again, this right here, I'm using the process Uncle Tom garage used for his block. I've been doing that for all the parts. So this is, well, we gotta paint this right here, and this one is the passenger side. Let me see. This one is the driver's side, that's the passenger side. So again, this one is ready to be sprayed. I'm gonna spray him later on today. I'm like I say, man, badass paint booth. I don't got no paint booth, man. So again, trying to get something clean. It's windy outside. We got a lot of trees, so I'm trying to get the minimum amount of trash that I can get on the wheel wells. That one got a little bit of trash because I left it outside, left the door open. But again, it's not perfect, but it's gonna look better. So let me show you what else we got going on. So man, the other thing, these are the plastics that go on the wheel wells. This one goes, there's the engine on top. This one goes at the bottom. Both of them might heat up with undercoating. This one originally is just the plastic all black, so I want to keep it as original as I can. So instead of just leaving primer, I'm gonna do undercoating on both sides, and on that one, only one side is gonna show. But we went and go ahead and paint both sides. I know nobody's gonna be looking at this side, but since we got it out already, might as well go ahead and clean it. But there it goes, man. It's a little bit of the progress that we got going on. One of the things, come here, come on, baby. One of the things, man, that I'm bad at is keeping everything organized. So most of the day today was nothing but cleaning up. I wasn't able to walk over here. I needed to clean up, make sure everything was good, make sure I knew where my parts were at. That way I can make everything easier on myself. But again, man, little bit of progress. This is what we got going on. Hopefully once we get some more video, I'll put it out. Again, let me know what y'all think, man. Should we go copper? Should we go black? I'm not sure, man. I'm thinking about copper just so we can give it a little bit more color. But let me know what y'all think, man. So thank you for watching, man. Stay tuned for the progress.